Folds for easy storage and includes carry bag for when you're on the go. Has colorful character graphics throughout. Made with sturdy metal tubular construction. No assembly required. For kids ages 3+. Paw Patrol Kids Fold & Go Chair has colorful character graphics and it is great for indoors or outdoors. Sturdy metal tubular construction. Folds for easy storage, comes with its own carry bag. No assembly required. For ages 3+. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy. Great for my preschooler. We have taken this on several camping trips and used it often for about 3 months. It has held up very well for the amount of use it gets.